So in this section, we'll discuss about chart patterns. So generally, in last few videos, I have earlier shared about candlesticks patterns. So now, moving on towards chart pattern. Charts pattern, what is the advantage of knowing charts pattern? It helps to generally identify buyers versus sellers strength and weakness. Okay, and it also helps us to enter trades during a trending one-sided move. When I say trending one-sided move, very simple. If a stock is trending towards upside, chart pattern, the chart pattern which is getting developed in this upside move will help us to enter the trade on towards, as price is moving towards upside, we will enter a buy side trade. So it will help us to follow this uptrend and enter a buy trade. That is that one of the biggest advantage of knowing a chart pattern. And very important, there are several chart patterns which is getting developed every single day in the market, but I will share few chart patterns which effectively works during live market. Okay, and secondly, it will chart pattern will help us to understand the auction in the pattern. When I say auction, auction generally means buyers and sellers. So patterns helps us to identify the auction between the buyers and sellers, which will help us to easily make sure to identify the trades during the live market. So let's start with the first chart pattern. I will use a whiteboard before going towards the chart. I will first use a whiteboard here. So let's assume a stock is in an uptrending. Okay, the stock is moving in an uptrending auction and suddenly we get a sideways move in the market, or in a stock after an uptrending move we are getting a sideways auction. I am speaking about, let's take this as a 5-minute time frame. Okay, shorter time frame, more good the pattern gets developed. Okay, longer time frame takes more time to develop a pattern. So in an uptrending stock, suddenly we are getting a sideways auction, and once the sideways auction gets developed, price will be in a narrow range. So we will come to know what is this range, because it is clearly visible in front of us. In the sideways market, there is an upper band and a lower band in a sideways market. Now already the stock is in an uptrending move. Okay, so immediately planning for a short trade is a bad trade process. Wait, let's see what is happening. So the first chart pattern which I am going to share here is, let's assume price is breaking towards upside. This is the candle which is getting developed. Okay, a bigger bullish candle. I believe you will remember this candle pattern. If I draw it in a precisely in a green color, this is an bullish candle, because open, low, close and high. Open, low are near to each other, close and high are near to each other, and the candle color is green. So a bullish candle. Already the stock is an uptrending move. After a balanced auction, we are getting a bullish candle. Very important from now is, sorry, so this is a bullish candle. So now very important here is how the further auction is getting developed once we get a breakout. Okay, after in this balanced market we got a bullish breakout here. Already the stock is in an uptrending move. Now very important here is how the stock is reacting from now, from this point. Immediately I am not telling to plan a buy trade. Wait, still wait. So in this bullish candle, I will just zoom in out this bullish candle here. In this bullish candle, the midpoint or half of this bullish candle, we need to closely monitor this. Just a random calculation. If this is the entire range, midpoint or a half point of this range, what will happen in this pattern is more activity will be more, again a balanced auction will get developed, but still remember, price is not breaking the even the half of this bullish candle. Forget about going down move, going towards downside. not even price breaking the half of the bullish candle. This tells clearly that same way I'm just drawing here, price will be more sideways or a small up move, and then price will be sideways. A different anything can takes place, different category. Like once bullish candle breakout happen, price will further move up and then a sideways auction get developed. But remember, the half of this bullish candle has not taken out. So in this balanced market, mark down the high and low of the in this balance should be smaller than this earlier balance, so that the trend stock towards upside will continue faster. And this balance which is getting developed is a reloading done by big players. That is, they are reloading, they are placing a limit buy orders, and they are filling more buy side quantity to move the stock price further towards upside. So in this case, when once the second balance get developed, immediately when price breaks the higher of the band, this is where we need to plan a buy side trade. Okay, and so exactly what will be the trade location I will share during the trade setup. Okay, how to trade if this pattern gets developed, I will share during the trade setup classes. So now focus on this pattern. Let me show you an example so that you will get a more clarity on it. So look at this auction which is getting developed here. Morning, stock price shooted up straight away, and what is happening? A bigger balance getting. This is a 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, this is a 5-minute time frame chart. So in which from morning almost 10 a.m. price started to be in a sideways mode. It has been almost 1 p.m. Okay, that is 3 hours of balanced auction which is getting developed. But remember one thing, this was the morning bullish candle whereas the stock price went up and stock is in a balanced mode. Sellers have not even made attempt to move the stock price towards downside, so clearly the trend is bullish. From morning, buyers are strongly pushing the stock price towards upside. Yes, it is a sideways mode, but still stock price has not came down, so still it is a bullish or buyers. We need to plan only a buy side trade on this kind of trading. Same way on towards downside, let's assume a big bearish candle or a big red color candle getting developed and price is in a sideways. So in this kind of activity, the stock is in a downtrend or in a short based trend on towards downside. So in this case, we need to look or plan only for a sell side trade unless until this bearish candle high has not get taken out. Same way, we need to plan only for a buy side trade unless until the bullish candle low is not getting taken out. We should not plan a short side trade in this kind of chart activity. So moving on to the chart pattern. So from morning a bullish candle, let me mark down the balanced range. So this is the high and this is the low of the balanced range. Okay, so this is the 2 hours of auction which is getting developed. Closely look at this. When this balance is getting developed, the volumes are not greater when compared to the previous relative volumes. So volumes are also low, but still remember it is a bullish stock. The stock is moving towards upside. The trend is also on towards upside only, because in this balanced market, if the sellers were stronger from higher levels, they should have moved the stock price lower, but they have not done it. So now once this candle makes a breakout, okay, closely look at this candle is making a breakout and we are getting again a balanced auction. We are getting again a balanced auction. So let me mark down this balanced auction again. It's a very tight balanced auction which is getting developed, but This is what I have mentioned. If this again start getting developed, this is one of the trade setup which I personally follow and take trades during live markets. Once this price making a breakout, I will be very clear that the stock is ready to move towards upside. I will plan my buy trade, and when to enter, how to enter, I will share during the trade setup video. But look at this. Once this price makes a breakout, so this level is 29,500 on your right side. You could see 29,500, a bank nifty chart. Look at this quick clean up move in just 4 candles at 250 points upside move in bank nifty, and the stock bank nifty has closed near day's high only. And when to trade, what should be our target and what should be the stop loss, I will share during the trade setup video. Look at this. This is a 250 points move. The chart pattern works beautifully here, because from morning we know that bullish buyers are stronger, and the stock price morning went towards upside and it went into a sideways territory. And when price was in a sideways mode, this range, the first range of sideways, was not more than 150 points. That is, for 3 hours price is trading in a 150 points range. And when our pattern emerged, look at the price move, 250 points move in just less than 25 minutes. In less than 25 minutes, 250 points move, whereas the earlier morning sideways or a balanced auction was 3 hours with 150 point bank nifty move. This is how pattern works. I'm not just telling you blindly follow this pattern. Completely look at the logic behind this pattern. From morning the stock is bullish and price went into a sideways mode. In this 3 hours of auction, if sellers want to push the stock price lower, if the sellers who wanted to move the stock price lower, they had full 3 hours time. They should have anyway moved the stock price towards downside, but not even single attempt has been made from the sellers. And remember, when I was speaking about this breakout candle, I have also mentioned one thing. This is the breakout candle. Half of the back breakout, this is the half midpoint of the breakout candle. When the sideways auction getting developed, it has not even made attempt to break the midpoint. So this tells us the buyers are ready to move the stock price towards upside. Okay, this is the hint which tells the stock is ready to move towards upside, or I can say buyers are ready. In this 3 hours of balanced auction, buyers have filled all their quantities. They have filled, because big players take trades in a quantity size like 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs quantity. To fill 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs quantity, they need time. Okay, immediately they can't punch 10 lakh orders immediately. If they punch 10 lakh buy orders, the price will climb up in a straight line, and still they will not fill all their quantities. So in this balanced auction, once the breakout has taken place and price didn't came below the midpoint of this bullish candle, complete confirmation these buyers are ready to move the stock price towards upside. And look at this, 250 to 300 points move in just less than 1 hour. And once our pattern clearly got developed, 25 minutes, 250 points move as got developed in bank nifty. Clear? Yes, and also the same pattern applies on the downside also. Okay, complete vice versa, same rule, same criteria. I am showing an example towards upside chart example. The same pattern applies, same rule on towards the downside pattern also. Clear?